Welcome! We have reached the end of our time management course. What an incredible journey it has been. Throughout this module, we have learned a lot together. I want to review what we have covered and leave you with some final thoughts. From the beginning, we established a solid foundation for everything that we follow, understanding how proper time management can transform our lives and business. Then, I shared my story about how my love for agendas began in my childhood, watching my dad use them. This led us to discuss how good planning can work wonders for our daily organization. We discussed the importance of having clear goals and how to break them into manageable objectives. Learning to break down big goals into small action makes everything more achievable. Additionally, we explore how to prioritize our tasks with the Eisenhower matrix, focus on what really matters and setting aside what is less urgent. We familiarize ourselves with the Pomodoro Method, learning to alternate work periods with breaks. We also identify strategies to overcome procrastination and improve our punctuality, discovering how small changes can make a big difference. We learn how to manage our emails and messages efficiently, setting specific times to check them and avoiding distractions. Moreover, we discuss the importance of planning not just daily, but also weekly and on a monthly level. This gives us a broader view of our goals and progress. We explore the importance of delegating tasks, identifying high-value activities, and learning to focus on what truly matters. We saw how keeping our spaces organized and clean can improve our productivity and reduce stress. We learn to evaluate and adjust our time management strategies, ensuring we continually optimize our practices. Finally, we discuss the importance of maintaining a balance between our work and personal responsibilities. We remember that at work we're replaceable, but in our family we're not. It is crucial to find the balance to live a full life. This course has been a journey of transformation. Time management is a skill that requires continued practice and adaptation. Each of you has shown dedication and commitment to improving this area of your life. Remember that the balance between work and personal life is essential. Our work is a tool to sustain us, but it's not the reason for our living. I want to thank you for joining me in this course. It has been a pleasure to share these strategies and techniques with you. I hope you find these modules valuable and that you are ready to apply what you have learned in your daily lives. Remember, time is one of our most valuable resources. Let's manage it well to live a full and balanced life. I wish you much success on your journey towards a more organized and productive life. See you soon and keep moving forward with confidence and determination.